Hi, I'm Dex, and welcome back to NextGen Life Hacks. Today, we're going to build the ultimate artificial intelligence setup for a high-performance day. This isn't about working harder. This is the exact system high performers use to free their energy, protect their attention, and build momentum that doesn't collapse halfway through the afternoon. Here's the hard truth. Most people wake up inside a day that is already working against them. Their tasks are unclear, their priorities are reactionary, their time is completely unprotected. Artificial intelligence doesn't just fix these problems. It completely replaces the old operating system you've been living inside. Today, we're building a complete end-to-end day, from the second you wake up to the moment you shut down for the night, all powered by a curated stack of AI tools designed for absolute clarity, flawless execution, and deep recovery. Let's start with Pillar 1, Morning Clarity Systems. Your day begins long before you ever start working. It begins with the very first decision your brain has to make. This is where we introduce our first tool, motion. Before your feet even hit the floor, motion has already reorganized your entire schedule based on your priorities. There's no more guessing, no more morning planning sessions, no more negotiating with yourself. You just wake up to pure direction. Next, you need to know what truly matters. This is where Notebook LM comes in. You ask it one simple question: what matters most today? Notebook LM scans your long-term goals, your meeting notes, your ongoing projects, and your personal priorities. It then returns the real, strategic answer, not the emotional, reactive answer your morning brain might come up with. But what if you don't even know when your brain is ready for its most important work? That's where our new rotation tool, Rise Sleep AI, comes in. This tool analyzes your nightly circadian patterns and tells you the exact windows when your brain is at its peak cognitive power. This is crucial. It prevents the worst mistake most people make, trying to do deep, creative work during their low-energy hours and then wasting their peak energy hours on emails and busy work. Getting your morning clarity right decides the quality of your entire day. Now for Pillar 2, Deep Work Automation. You simply cannot have a high-performance day if your mind is scattered across a dozen tabs and ideas. Deep work requires an environment, not just willpower. Our first tool here is the Arc browser. Arc saves your different projects as dedicated workspaces. So when you open your deep work space, all the relevant tabs, documents, and resources are there waiting. Your brain doesn't have to waste energy reinitializing the context. You open the tab and instantly feel the project come back to life. Once you're in the zone, you need to eliminate hesitation. That's what Claude is for. You're facing a big, complex task. You ask Claude, what is the simplest possible next action? Claude breaks down the intimidating project into small, manageable micro steps. It removes your hesitation by completely removing the ambiguity. You always know exactly what to do next. But how do you stay in that state of flow? That's where Rise comes in. Rise is an intelligent time tracker that monitors your focus, your drift, and your context switching. It learns your patterns. If you start to fall out of flow, maybe by drifting to a distracting site, it sends a gentle, non-judgmental nudge to guide you back to your work. Deep work isn't created by raw discipline. It's created by an environment that systematically eliminates distraction. This brings us to Pillar 3, Execution without friction. High performers don't push harder. They push cleaner. Their movements are efficient and intentional. Your central hub for this is Notion AI. This is where your projects, goals, habits, and systems live. With Notion AI, your day isn't just a random list of tasks. It's a cohesive story, where every action you take is building a future that your future self will thank you for. But what about those big, overwhelming ideas that are hard to start? For that, we have our new reinforced rotation tool. Tascade AI. Tascade is brilliant because it turns your big, messy ideas into clear, visual execution maps. You can see the structure, the dependencies, and the path from start to finish. This instantly removes the feeling of being overwhelmed. People don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they can't see the road ahead. Tascade builds you that road. Of course, the biggest obstacle to execution is our own internal urges. You don't fight your urges. You remove them. That's the job of freedom. Freedom is an app and browser extension that you set up to block distracting websites and apps during your work blocks. Your mind stops negotiating with itself. There's no let me just check for 5 minutes. The option is gone. All that's left is your work. And here's something to think about. Most people believe they need more motivation to succeed. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer decisions. Artificial intelligence works by removing the low-value decisions until all that is left for you to do is take meaningful action. Now for Pillar 4, Creative Output Systems. A truly high-performance day isn't just about completing tasks. It includes creation. It's about bringing new ideas into the world. This used to be the hard part, but not anymore. Our first tool is Canva Magic Studio. With a simple prompt, you can generate stunning visuals, slide decks, video thumbnails, and social media posts with almost zero effort. Creation becomes lightweight and fun instead of being an intimidating chore. Next, your voice becomes a powerful asset with 11 Labs. You can narrate your ideas, your notes, your content, or your company's training frameworks with a consistent, professional, and trustworthy AI voice. In a world saturated with visuals, a clear and consistent voice builds trust faster than almost anything else. And for visual storytelling, we have tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. You no longer have to design in the traditional sense. You just describe, you articulate the image or concept in your mind, and the AI brings it to life. With these tools, creation is no longer a chore. It becomes a natural and joyful form of expression. Finally, we arrive at Pillar 5, Evening Reflection and Reset. High performance isn't just about pushing forward. It's about recovering with intention. Your day ends with a structured shutdown. Our first tool for this is Reflect AI. This is your private space to dump your mind. You can ask Reflect questions like, what am I really feeling about today? What lesson should I carry into tomorrow? And crucially, what anxiety or frustration should I release tonight? This process resets your emotional bandwidth for the next day. And this is where we bring back Notebook LM, but with a new purpose. You feed your daily reflections from Reflect back into Notebook LM. Over time, it starts to learn the arc of your personal growth. It recognizes your patterns, your challenges, and your breakthroughs. It then uses your own wisdom to help guide your future decisions, making you a better advisor to yourself. To complete the reset, we introduce our final new rotation tool, Calm, specifically its sleep stories. Your brain cannot operate at peak performance without deep, restorative recovery. Calm sleep stories are designed to help your nervous system shut down, quiet the racing thoughts, and transition into restful sleep. Remember tomorrow's? Success begins with tonight's ability to truly let go. So, how do you get started? Let's break it down into a beginner and an advanced setup. For a beginner, start with these 5 tools. Use Motion to schedule your tasks automatically. Use Claude to clarify your direction when you feel stuck. Use Rise to track your focus and build awareness. Use Canva for easy creative output, and use Reflect to manage your mental clean up at the end of the day. Just with this stack, you will feel at least 30% lighter and more in control. For the advanced user ready for full integration, your setup looks like this. You use Notebook LM as a true extension of your brain. You use Rise Sleep AI for precise energy optimization. You use Tascade for mapping out complex projects visually. You use 11 labs to build brand and communication assets with your voice, and you use Calm for a structured, non-negotiable recovery protocol. At this stage, you're not just working harder. You are operating with an integrated digital nervous system. This might seem like a lot, so here's a simple 30-day roadmap. In week 1, just focus on clearing the noise. Set up motion, arc, and rise. Your only goal is to feel what it's like to have a structured, protected day. In week 2, we clarify thinking. Bring in Notebook, LM, and Claude. Start asking better questions and shaping your raw ideas into a clear direction. During week 3, it's time to execute with ease. Integrate Cascade and Notion AI to transform your big goals into actionable pipelines. And in week 4, we focus on recovery and expansion. Use Reflect AI and Calm to refine your emotional and physical restoration. The key to high performance is not intensity, it is consistency. As you build this system, be aware of the common mistakes. The biggest is trying to do everything at once without any structure. Others include treating every single task like an emergency, working on important things during your low-energy cycles, ignoring recovery, and constantly switching tools out of boredom. Stop confusing busyness with progress. Your life will fundamentally change when your systems start working harder than you do. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We'll show you how to automate your entire workflow using completely free artificial intelligence tools. Remember, optimization isn't the future, it's now. Your next upgrade starts today. Thanks for watching.